Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great and are safe at home, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be creating this beautiful daytime makeup look. I created this makeup look especially for Saraswati Puja, but even if you have any wedding to attend, or if you have a daytime function in your family, or if you have Haldi, this look is perfect for that. So yeah, let's get started. And I used all affordable products today, so I hope you find this video helpful. So first you need to use a moisturizer to prep your skin really well so that your makeup doesn't look dry and crusty. Next, I'm using this primer so that my makeup stays put for a really long time. This is a really good primer, especially if you have oily skin and pore issues. Next, I'm using this Swiss Beauty concealer, and this is a little darker than my skin tone. So what I'm doing is I'm just concealing my under eye dark circles and pigmentation. Now if you don't have any color corrector but you want to hide your dark circles and pigmentation, you can choose a concealer which is 1 or 2 shades darker than your skin tone. It also works perfectly fine. Then I'm picking up another concealer, and this is a little bit lighter than the previous one, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna highlight my face with it, and you guys can see the amount I'm using because this concealer is full coverage and you don't have to use a lot. And as this is a daytime makeup look, so I want my makeup to look very lightweight and I don't want it to look cakey, so try to use as minimal makeup as possible and make sure to blend it really well so that everything looks very nice and natural. To set the concealers on place, I'm using this Swiss Beauty Prime and Set Loose Powder. I know this is a mattifying powder, but I found that it makes my under eyes look a little dry and ashy after a couple of hours. This is the first time I tried it on myself, and honestly speaking, I didn't like it much. Then I used a compact powder on the perimeters of my face, as I'm not using any foundation today, so I want everything look very nice and seamless, so a compact powder gives a little bit of coverage. And then I used a setting spray to lock everything in. For my blush today, I'm using this e.l.f. Bite Size Face Duo, and this is in the shade Watermelon. This particular blush is a satin one and it has a silver sheen to it, and if you want to use it in everyday basis, you don't even need a highlighter because it already has a little bit of sheen to it. Then taking the highlighter shade from the same palette and highlighting the highest points of my face. And as you can see, after applying, I'm just using my finger to blend it out really well into the skin because I want my skin to look very nice and natural. For my eyeshadow today, I have this Mars Fantasy 15 eyeshadow palette. First using this shade and applying it all over my crease as my transition shade. Then I used an warm brown shade and applied on the outer crease. Next, digging into this darker brown shade and mostly focusing on the outer corners of my eyes, and then I'm dragging it inwards. A lot of you have requested me to try these Mars eyeshadow palettes and create some makeup looks with it, as they are very affordable and good quality palettes. And yeah, I'm really happy with the pigmentation and blendability. They are really good. I also have this Mars I Belong in Your Pores eyeshadow palette in the shade Oozing Swagger, and applying this metallic highlighter shade on the inner corners of my eyes. Then taking this beautiful metallic rose gold sort of a shade, it looks very unique and beautiful, and with the help of my finger I'm applying it on the inner 1/3 portion of my eyelid. Taking the same inner corner highlighter brush and just blending everything in. Now taking this chocolatey brown shade again, and I'm applying it on the outer corners of my eyes just to make sure that everything looks very nice and seamless and blended. And also this is going to intensify my eyes a little bit. Taking this nude pink sort of a transition shade and applying on the inner 1/3 of my crease just to blend everything in, and also this is gonna tie the look together. Moving on to the bottom lash line, and I'm using this warm brown shade and just slightly smoking it out so that everything looks put together. Then I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply some mascara. And that's the completed eye makeup look. For my brows today, I'm using this Wet n Wild Retractable Eyebrow Pencil. This is my all-time favorite pencil and I use it almost every single day whenever I'm going out. So yeah, if you are looking for a good eyebrow pencil under budget, definitely go and get this one. To set my brow hairs on place, I'm using this e.l.f. eyebrow gel. This is a really good brow gel for everyday use. For my lips, I have two options here with me, and the first one is this one. This is the Faces Canada Comfy Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade 07. I found this a little bit darker than my preference for today's look, but if you are someone who is deeper than my skin tone, you can definitely use it as your everyday nude. This is a beautiful nude shade from medium to deep chocolatey skin. Then I have this liquid lipstick from Nykaa, and this is in the shade Supermom, and oh my god, this is such a beautiful warm nude shade, and this lipstick is just perfect for this particular makeup look. And that's the completed makeup look. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you do, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And that's it for today's video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.